Good morning, guys. So today we are at Animal Kingdom. I didn't make road drop because I was checking out of the room and getting all my stuff together. So it's 8:18 now. They open up the park at 8 o'clock. Hours for this park are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Due to the shortened hours right now that Disney has. So unfortunately, it lessened my chances for getting right on any of the Pandora rides, but it's okay. I have all day. My flight is tonight, so we're gonna go wait in line for Flight of Passage and then see what we can see here at Animal Kingdom. So my first hour, 2 hours in Animal Kingdom today, and crowd level's pretty light. Oh, here comes the procession. So it might get loud, but anyway. So yeah, crowd level's pretty light. I was able to get on Flight of Passage and Na'vi River Journey all within the first hour and a half of park opening at 8 o'clock. Got a little hungry, so I went down to the Joffrey's location next to Kali River Rapids, and I got a cinnamon roll and a coffee, iced coffee, and I also found this pretty nice secluded spot. I'm sure this will get busier, but there's a spot right next to Kali River Rapids that literally the only one here. So if you want a quiet, shaded spot to sit when the park is rather light, this is the place to be. Here's my cinnamon roll. Much like everything that Joffrey's does, it's gigantic. Their donuts are gigantic. The cinnamon roll is gigantic. I had an apple fritter yesterday, and it was also ridiculously large. So, looks pretty good. We're gonna take a bite of this. It's gonna end up in my beard. Oh, I have to do this one-handed. Oh yeah. If you like your cinnamon rolls extra gooey, go to Joffrey's. They're pretty good. So for lunch today, I went down to Flame Tree Barbecue and I got the pulled pork sandwich and with French fries and the spooky green apple punch, with of course the blinking, glowing, forbidden apple, poisoned apple thing. So there's the drink. The drink was $9.99 and the sandwich with the fries was $10.99. It comes with this little rock candy straw. That's a lot of sugar. So we'll give it a shot, see what it's like. Okay. It's barbecue. It's gonna be a mess. There goes nothing. Oh god. Pretty good. Pulled pork. Yeah. I mean, for, you know, Disney pulled pork or mass-produced pulled pork, it's actually very good. It's not like chewy. It's also not runny when they let it sit in the tub too long. Well, good to go.
Boog, what is that?
A hippo! My favorite animal. Hippo.
I'm going to help them out from not getting sunburned because of how often they keep their tongues out. Hello there, Giraffe. Mr. Giraffe there. You'll notice that they have like jagged edges to their patterns. That's common with the Maasai giraffe. They have rough edges to the pattern. They can spend about 16 hours of the day in search of food, but they only need 30 minutes a day to sleep, if that. I would say they're probably about a year or 2 years of age now. We had about 5 giraffes born about a year and a half ago.
Well, guys, that'll about do it here for our Disney World, Walt Disney World vacation. It's been an awesome week. We saw some cool stuff. Learned a lot about what Disney World is doing as far as safety precautions and enforcing mask policies. We learned a lot about crowds, Hollywood Studios mainly, and Animal Kingdom, which was somewhat of a surprise. Like even right now, the wait for any of the Pandora rides is under 40 minutes, which is crazy. So, I mean, if you are up to getting out and don't mind wearing a mask, you know, you can enjoy some of the reduced crowds right now in Walt Disney World. So, if you guys have any future requests for videos or anywhere you'd like to see us go, put a comment in the comment section down below, and we'll see if we can make it happen.